So for the next topic was the power issue and temperature and humidity. So for the power issue, there are two topics in here, which is the backup generator and the power surge. Then for the temperature and humidity, there are two topics also, which is the alarms and alerts and humidity sensor. So first, let's go for the backup generator. So for the backup generator, generators can provide power for longer period, ensuring continuous operation during extended outage. They are crucial in maintaining the functionality of critical system and equipment. Regular maintenance and testing of generator are essential to guarantee their reliability when needed. Having an adequate fuel supply is also important to sustain generator operation. By implementing backup generator and organization can prevent disruption and maintain operational continuity. So for the next topic, which is the um, power surge is a protector shield equipment from sudden increase in voltage, which can cause damage. These devices are essential for safeguarding sensitive electronics and ensuring their longevity. Installing surge protector at key points in the power distribution system can prevent extensive damage. Regularly inspecting and replacing surge protector as needed can maintain their effectiveness. This protective approach helps protect valuable assets from unexpected power surge. So for the next one is the temperature and humidity. As I say, the first topic for temperature and humidity is the alarm and alerts. Then the second one is the humidity and sensor. So let's go on for the alarm and alerts. Alarm and alerts is a for temperature for or humidity deviation. This alert can notify personnel immediately if conditions move outside acceptable range, allowing for quick corrective action. Integrating these alerts with the building management system can enhance monitoring capabilities. Regularly calibrating sensor ensure accurate reading. Effective alert system help maintain optimal condition for equipment and data integrity. So for the next one is the humidity sensor. Humidity sensor. Place humidity sensor in various locations within the data center to monitor and maintain appropriate humidity levels. These sensors provide real-time data on environmental condition, enabling precise control. Strategic placement of sensor ensure comprehensive coverage and detection of potential issues. Regular maintenance and calibration of sensor are essential for accurate monitoring. Maintaining appropriate humidity levels help protect equipment from damage caused by excessive moisture or dryness.